This video, I will share with you how to dynamically display the current year in Hostinger Website Builder. As you can see, this is my website on Hostinger Website Builder, and this year is 2025, and my website footer still shows the last year, which is 2024. And in this video, I will show you how to dynamically adjust or show the current year without manually editing it. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and click on websites list. This is the current, or this is all the websites I have on this account. An easy way to distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger Website Builder is just by looking to this little icon next to each website. Now click on this edit website button. And now scroll down to the footer of your website. And as you can see, this is my old static year text. I will delete it like that. And now click on add element. Scroll down to embed code. Add this element here. Click on click on enter code, delete the default code and use this code. I think, yes, I will add this piece of code in this website's description, and I will paste the code here again to see the different parts of this code. This is an easier way compared to this all black piece of code. Now that you've seen the code, let's add the code here. As you can see, the parts of the code is this copyright icon or sign. This is what is responsible of showing the current year dynamically, and this text is added after the current year, and this is what is responsible for this text color. Because this footer is background is darker, I've used the white color. Now click on embed code. And as you can see, automatically the year is adjusted to the current year, which is 2025. And also I have the copyright sign before and the all rights reserved. Save, or don't forget to update your website to not lose your editing. Let's view this website live. Scroll down. And as you can see, the current year is dynamically updated every year. And for this piece of code, I will add it in the this video description. That was all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.